The Parking Collision Notification and Recorder, as part of the Security Assistant in BMW Operating System X, automatically informs you about impacts on your parked BMW, and it provides camera footage of the surrounding area after the incident. When you first open the Drive Recorder app, you can activate the parking collision notification by confirming the disclaimer and predefined settings. In the Settings menu, select Recordings to adjust the video recording time after a parking collision. Go to Data Privacy and confirm notifications. Also, make sure all BMW permissions are activated during your profile setup or in the Data Privacy menu to receive parking collision and video recording notifications. When you switch off and lock your BMW and an incident is detected, shortly after the trigger, the system automatically records the preset period of the video feed from all exterior cameras. Simultaneously, you get a push notification in the My BMW app. Open the Message Center for more detailed information. In the car, open the Drive Recorder app to view the video recording of the incident under Available Recordings. Press and hold the recording and select Export All to export the video files to a smartphone that's connected to the vehicle via Bluetooth. Now you can also access and process the video recording from the Parking Collision Recorder in the gallery of your smartphone. Stay connected.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?